got some more door prizes to give away. Once again, these are on the red tickets. The red ticket that you got when you came in here today. Does have a 7350 engine that they are doing changes on. They are set up to our left. It was the van, the weekend to our left. And on the back of the channel, they do have the engine that they are doing a raffle on. All their proceeds are going to the hospice organization. If you don't know what hospice is, it's a group of people in the area that do help others when you go through medical problems and you need the necessary special services at your home.
See you later. I'll pull you up on the website.
That'll be great. Thank you.
Thank you.
654. Charlie's, Arby's, and Hooters of Canton. Hooters of Canton's out here passing out some free stuff, so tell them how pretty they look, and then they'll give you something for free advertising, all right? We appreciate Hooters. They've come here, they've been with us for about 5 or 6 years now. Sponsored by Four Boys Car Club along with Summer Racing, so if you want to come down here, we'll be there for about 9 in the morning to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We also like to thank our media bar, our sponsors today. We have Michael's and the Dress Barn, Five Guys, James Barbecue, and Moe's, and Riverfine Jewelry. Riverfine Jewelry actually have a really nice pair of earrings that they're giving away today. $150 pair of earrings as part of the door prize. We really don't like that one. And we also like to thank Joe. Time out of their daily schedule just to get this stuff off the ground on weekends so they can have here. We appreciate what the Four Boys do for the community. Last year we were able to give away about $10,000 in donations to the training center, and even with the Ford right now, so we got lucky.